Welcome, beautiful soul. Before we begin, I just want to say thank you for taking this time for yourself today. This is your first time meditating. You are exactly where you need to be. If you've heard stories about how meditation is supposed to go, I kindly ask you release those now. There are no rules to this. You can't mess it up. You don't have to do this a certain way. All you have to do is give yourself permission to just be. Permission to put away the outside world for this short time. You don't have to stop your thoughts. There's no right or wrong here. This is simply a pause, a moment to allow your entire being to fully rest and release all the weight you're holding on to. Let everything that's been swirling begin to settle. If you've been feeling overwhelmed or like there's too much going on, you're not alone, and you don't need to fix it all right now. I personally recommend lying down if that feels good, especially if you're new, so your body can fully let go and relax completely. It also helps to place something soft over your eyes. It can be anything, a jacket, a shirt, a hand towel. It helps to close off all the sources of light that may peek in. It makes it easier for the outside world to fade just a little and easier to just be. Headphones can deepen the experience, but they're not required. Just let my voice guide you. Let yourself be here, fully in this moment. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position, whatever feels the most nurturing to your body. Allow your body to sink into whatever's beneath you. Let yourself be held by the floor, by the bed. You are supported by the ancient power of the earth itself. Right here, right now, nothing else is needed. Allow your body to soften. Let your eyes close and just breathe a full, gentle breath in and an even slower breath out. There's nothing you need to hold up right now. Gently place one hand over your heart and the other on your belly. We'll take 3 soft breaths together. Inhale through your nose. Feel your belly gently rise beneath your hand. Exhale through your mouth. Let everything soften, your shoulders, your jaw, your chest. Again, inhale, feeling the breath fill you, and exhale. Feel your whole body let go just a little more. One last time. Inhale into the space beneath your hand. Exhale, melting a little deeper. Let your breath fall into a natural rhythm, like a wave gently rising and falling. Now bring your awareness to the area around your heart. You don't have to do anything, just notice it. Imagine your breath gently flowing in and out through your heart space. Inhale, soft and easy into your heart. Exhale, releasing tension, pressure, or noise. And if your mind wanders, that's completely okay. Just gently return to your heart, to your breath, as many times as you need. This is your time. Now imagine a warm, golden light at the top of your head, like sunlight on a calm morning. It begins to gently pour over you. Feel it touch your scalp, your temples, softening the space behind your eyes. Let your forehead smooth. Let your jaw unclench. Let your tongue relax in your mouth. There's nothing you need to say, nothing you need to do. Let this soft light move down through your neck and throat. Imagine it releasing anything you've been holding inside, like a gentle hand loosening a tight grip. Feel it melt into your shoulders, allowing them to drop away from your ears, melting downward, draining any tension like warm water. Let the light move through your arms, your elbows, into your forearms, wrapping around your wrists, your hands. Let the light move through your arms, your elbows, through your forearms, into your wrists, all the way into your fingers. Every part of you is softening, loosening, letting go. Now return your awareness to your chest. Feel the light resting over your heart, warm and kind. You are safe to breathe here. Inhale like you're breathing into your heart. Exhale like you're letting go of everything that doesn't belong. Let the golden light move into your belly. Gently into your lower. Let that light move into your belly, into your lower back. Imagine your entire middle softening, held and supported. Feel the light settle into your hips. Let them grow heavier. No need to hold anything up. You are safe to sink. Now this golden light flows through your thighs, your knees, soothing everywhere it touches like warm honey. Feel your legs relax, soften, surrender. Now this glowing light continues flowing into your calves, your ankles, your feet, filling every cell of your body, all the way to the tips of your toes. Even the tiniest muscles are letting go now. Your entire body bathed in golden light, supported, safe, soft. Let your breath be easy. Let your breath be easy. Let your body feel held. Let yourself feel how deeply okay you are in this moment. Feel how soothing it feels to simply just be, just you, just your breath. I'll let you rest here with yourself fully for a few moments. When you're ready, begin to slowly wiggle your fingers, your toes. Maybe roll your shoulders a little. Take one last soft breath in through your heart and gently exhale like you're releasing the last bit of noise. And when it feels right, open your eyes. You did beautifully, but the most important part, you showed up for yourself, and that is more than enough. Now as you come back to the present moment, I invite you to notice how your body and your mind feel right now. And know that each time you return to this place of calm, it becomes easier to move through life with more ease, more presence, and more trust in yourself. And carry that peacefulness with you throughout your day, ready to meet life's obstacles with more clarity, ready to meet life's obstacles with more clarity. Thank you for being here. For more tools to return to a calmer you, click subscribe. I also encourage you to download my free healing guide using the link below. Keep shining, wishing you love and light from my soul to your soul.